Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rocio. In today's video, I'd like to share with you one of my most recent projects. It's a mesh cap with beads. It is very trendy right now. Let me show you a close-up of the center. The beads. I used two types of beads. The pearls are 7 millimeters and the small clear ones are 4.0 millimeters. The pearl and the small clear one. The clear ones I bought them at Michael's. They are called beads 4.0 clear. I used 100% cotton thread, DK weight, made for 4.5 millimeter hook. You can use any yarn of your choice, but for the pattern to work, it has to be a yarn made for 4.0 to 4.5 millimeter hook. I used 4.0 millimeter hook, and it still looks nice because the yarn is very soft and silky. It measures 7 by 21 inches, and it fits adult size comfortably. Even though cotton thread is not stretchy, the mesh stitch makes it stretchy. This is beginner's level. I'm going to be uploading the tutorial by the middle of next week, in case you want to come back and follow along. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.